Peptides are not magic, they are not steroids, and most of what you are hearing about them online flat out wrong. Today, I am breaking down the 5 biggest peptide myths that are costing people money, result, and sometimes their health. If you're thinking about using peptides, you need to hear this one. I'm Jay Patel, a certified PA, and I break down performance and health topics without the hype. No bro science here. So let's start with the biggest misconception of peptides. Peptide myth number 1. Peptides are basically steroids. This is the most common misunderstanding. Peptides are short-chain amino acid that signals your body to do something specific. Steroids, on the other hand, are synthetic hormones. Completely different mechanism. Some peptides stimulates growth hormone release. Some improves your recovery. Some affect your appetite, but they don't function like anabolic steroids. So the key takeaway here is peptides are signaling tools, not hormone replacement. Peptide myth number 2. All peptides burn fat or build muscle. This one drives me crazy. There are dozens of peptides. They don't all do same thing. Some targets growth hormone pathway. Some impacts insulin sensitivity. And some affects inflammation. Some are purely cosmetic. Using peptide as one blanket category is like saying medications all do the same thing. If you don't know the specific peptide and its mechanism, you are just guessing. Peptide myth number 3. If it's research grade, it's safe. This one is dangerous. A lot of peptides are sold as research chemical. That does not mean it's regulated. That does not mean pharmaceutical quality. That does not mean it's sterile. Dosing inconsistency and contamination are the real risk. Where it comes from matters more than people realize. Peptide myth number 4. Peptide replaces diet and training. Nope. Peptides amplify signals. They don't replace fundamentals. If your sleep is bad, your calories are off, your training is inconsistent, peptide won't save you. Peptides are multipliers, and multipliers only works if the base is solid. So you need to fix your foundation first. Peptide myth number 5. More is always better. This is where people get into trouble. More stimulation doesn't always mean better results. Hormonal pathway works on feedback loop. Overstimulating can blunt the natural production or cause side effects. With peptides, precision always beats aggression. Smart dosing is always better than high dosing. Peptides aren't magic, they are just tools. Used correctly, they can be very powerful, but used blindly, they are expensive hype. If you are considering starting peptide, educate yourself first. Not from TikTok clips, but from real evidence and from medical provider. Make sure to do your labs and follow up with the medical provider prior to starting any peptide. Comment below which myth surprised you the most. And if you want more honest breakdown like this, hit subscribe. I'll keep cutting through the noises.